If you drive an older Seat Leon or Altia, you know the interior plastics start looking rough. This tiny upgrade claims to bring back that factory fresh feel and maybe even improve your shifting experience. We're looking at the 5-speed gear shift knob and Gaiter boot cover designed specifically for the Seat Leon II, Toledo III, and Altia models spanning roughly 2004 to 2012. Right out of the box, the quality assurance claims seem trustworthy. It's made from durable ABS plastic and PU material. Now, PU isn't genuine leather, but the texture here is surprisingly strong and comfortable to grip. It definitely adds that elegant individualism the manufacturer promises, replacing that worn-out, sticky rubber feel many of these older knobs develop. It's a simple aesthetic boost, but it makes a huge difference every time you reach for the gear stick. Functionally, the design is based on professional manufacturing and human body ergonomics, which translates to a comfortable hold. The claim that it provides better control and improves handling isn't just marketing fluff. A fresh, firm knob absolutely enhances the tactile feedback, making shifts feel faster and more precise. This is about improving driving comfort and ensuring safer shifting by giving you a solid connection to the gearbox. Installation is the real win here. It's designed as a direct replacement, not an OEM part, but it fits snugly into the compatible vehicles listed. The process is quick. You're looking at maybe 10 minutes to swap out the old, damaged parts for this new unit. That ease of installation makes this a fantastic DIY project for anyone looking to refresh their interior without spending a fortune. The manufacturer emphasizes strict QC testing, and based on the feel and fit, that seems accurate. This is a high-quality, cool personality upgrade that avoids the common problem of paint peeling and truly meets the needs of daily use. If your old knob is tired, this replacement is a fantastic, easy solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.